How to delete Instagram search suggestion when typing. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. Once you land to your profile page, at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Go to the option Your Activity. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under how you use Instagram, you'll find the option of recent searches. Open this option. Now at the top right corner, you'll find the option of clear all. Click on it. Click on clear all again. Once you do that, again go to the profile page. Click on 3 bars. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option help. Click on the option report a problem. Click on report without checking. Now over here, you will need to briefly explain about your issue. You can just explain in the similar way as I have done it. Once you explain it, you can click on the option of send. Your report has been submitted. Now Instagram support team will get back to you within 24 hours, and with that your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.